Hello, my friends. Shailendra Kant this side. Uh, as you know, yesterday I have completed that particular series of secrets of home-based business, and of course, those secrets are really, really very important. Today early morning I thought, why should not I share my journey with you? Because now I am feeling a lot of connections with you, and daily I am sharing in fact, those secrets are not only secrets but secrets of my journey also. So let me tell you something about my life till now. Right from beginning of my life, I was a person like, you can say, uh, even in my student life, I was person like very determined person. Something if thousands person will move in the east, then I will try to see whether west is also okay or not. Uh, uh, in that case, there was a possibility that okay, I may fail also, but what was my gut feeling, that I was trying to do there. So this I will start from the point from where uh, I was admitted in an engineering college somewhere in Bihar, and I found myself, it was okay, not it has not, of course, uh, it has not fulfilled my desires, because I was trying to do something else in engineering itself. Some better college I was trying. Anyway, somehow I compromised. But see, when your determination is just when concentrated, when your commitment is concentrated on particular point, then focus comes. That is the focus. So when I was in final year of my engineering, then I was top. I was I was so much concentrated with my subjects and all that. I came top in that university for engineering and all that. So gaining first position was quite a boost in my life. And then I was trying to do what next. Normally people were trying for some public sector and all that. So I also tried for public sector, and I just myself, I found myself, okay, now I will be doing this job and all that. So somewhere in one public sector I was employed, but the day I was you can say, I thought it was my wrong decision, because it was not at all satisfying. So you see, sometimes your first impression is the last impression, and it was like that only. So I immediately, the day I joined, I decided to leave as early as possible. So I started preparing for some engineering services exams, which at that time it was Indian Engineering Services. I was totally focused for that. Let me remove this one, because this is just hold on please. So in that case, my and I competed also, and with electronics and communication as my pet subject. I was very much interested to go in depth, and that was the result. The result was that I got selected in that one. I was there in my Union Telecom Services, which at that time also it was a coveted post, and it was a bit satisfying. But it was glamour was there, glory was there, but financially it was not of much help. And I found many of even my friends also. I will admit frankly that they were engaged in malpractices, and somehow my soul did not allow me. I did not find myself at all interested in that one. So I thought, okay, again my choice is wrong. I don't know what to do. I was finding myself for coming out from there also. Uh, I got a chance to go Saudi Arabia for some smart earnings and all that for doing one project of this telecom. And I was there for about around say for 5 years and all that with my family, of course. And when when I came back, then I found, okay, now I should go for a change. So I changed to a private sector in Reliance Communication. I was selected here in for Rajasthan at that time. First I came to Rajasthan in Jaipur, and the project was really interesting, and it was financially good also at that time. But again, you know, expenses are in life are always high. But I say normally, if your earnings are in a straight line, then your expenses will be going exponentially high. So that was the difference I felt at that time also. Then I was thinking, what for I am in this lifetime. I was trying to find out what is my single aim. It was just trying to come. It was inside but not coming out. I was there in that particular company for around 10 years. Then both employer and myself found, no, it is not suitable. I was uncomfortable, totally uncomfortable. I don't know, because I was not owner of the company. Of course, now I feel that I was not owner of the company, so that's why satisfaction was not at all. Then I left. After leaving, I realized I was actually at that time I felt what is the freedom. So it is really exhilarating and interesting how I move now. My friends at that time, I was thinking, okay, I will get my job immediately. But unfortunately, or now I will say it was very fortunate that some 2G scam in telecom came. And at that time, nobody was ready for higher post to offer. All telecom companies, higher posts, they can. For lower post, it's okay for that. But since I was in senior post all the time, so I was looking for that only. So all the telecom companies, they stopped recruiting and all that. So that was the case. Then I was finding myself in great trouble. But when challenges come, then only you will realize what is what, and then you will find what is the correct path. So I was trying to find out how should I find. I forget to tell you that I am a spiritually inclined person, and my aim in life is to get enlightenment. It may be you may be hearing this one, and you may be finding that what type of person I am, but what I am. So my guru was there, and with his inspiration, my spiritual guru, I am telling you, with his inspiration, I found myself that something is coming in my life. I don't know. At that time, I was introduced in home-based business, and all my ideals and all that, I just found myself, okay, this is the platform where I can get something in my life. and of course I started earning in that one. The name of the this MLM was QNet, and it's all due to my due to inspirations, and you can say I was doing some yoga meditations, which I every day I am doing. Just now I have finished, and now I am talking with you. So it was my guru. I will show you one glimpse of that one. So this guru has inspired me. Rather, right now I will say whole my life, you can say. Now I have realized very, very deeply. Whole my life is devoted to him only. I really find myself emotional when I am describing all these things. Sorry for that. I have got no words when I remember my guru. Sorry. So at that time, I was just I found the first test of being owner of a business, and I learned a lot in that MLM. I am really hats off to that particular MLM. The training education system was excellent, perfect, and it was really my inside growth. And I found myself there are lots of dreams are there, which are yet to be fulfilled, and that is the purpose of my life here. So my friends, whenever you find yourself that some platform in which you test that that particular platform, whether they are going to fulfill your dreams or not, even 1% chance is there, you try it there. Because by law of attraction, you will find later on a lot of fulfillment also. So after that, just I was fighting there. Sometimes I was struggling also there in same MLM also. But more or less, it was very, very interesting, exciting, and all that. I was learning because that was the first network marketing company in which I have never heard even before any network marketing company. And then, of course, it was going not very smooth, because calling, I found myself after so many callings, people, many of my friends, they started giving no response to my calls, and something wrong was there. Some particular thing was wrong. Then I found this particular calling is not good, because this is creating a lot of trouble, in fact. Although I was having a lot of team members with me, and I was earning also, but because I believe that if something should be done in life, it should be done with full concentration, with full focus, full determination, full blast. And that's what I learned from my guru also, in fact. So at that time, there was no, you can say, there was no chance that I should be getting more and more checks, because that was a binary system. One leg was improving like anything, another leg was slowly idle. So then I thought, okay, my dreams are not coming true here. Some dreams are ticked. Of course, I have ticked many dreams. But now at that time, I found Empower Network. My friends, here the law of attraction comes, and each and every aspect I have seen in Empower Network is indicating me that now I am going to fulfill my dreams here only. My dreams my highest dream, I will try to say something about that. In the city where I am staying here in Jaipur in India, I wanted to build a ashram, you can say, a good ashram for my guru, for developing, so that even you can say drop of spirituality should come to each and every person. Then they will realize what is spirituality, and they can understand what is the importance of that in our life. So for that, one ashram is required here in Jaipur, and I am trying to do in this lifetime. I will certainly do. There is no doubt in it. And for that, I am trying to earn money for, of course, for financial freedom. And then the final goal is the making ashram, and this is going to cost not less than 10 crore for taking land, for preparing for this building and all that. It's a really a Herculean task. There is no doubt in it, and I will do it. I will certainly do it. And before that, I will attain the financial freedom. So, my friends, many times I have told you that this is my purpose of life, and whenever I am focused on purpose of life, then simply it is you can say I am certainly going to get it. There is no doubt. And my first passion is my guru, of course. Guru is nothing but it's you can say attending the highest in my life. That is my purpose. And another one is the compassion to others, because I felt myself a lot of trouble while dealing myself with in a job, because I was a jobby person, completely jobby. Of 25 years of experience being a jobby person, you can understand. And in between, I forget to tell you that I was offered later on when I came in home-based business. At that time, I was offered double of my CTC, which I was getting in Reliance Communication, but I denied. I was that CTC they were offering around 1 crore per year. So I told no, I am not going to move now, because now I am where I am going to satisfy myself, and satisfaction and getting money, both the things are there. So there is no going anywhere. So I denied that offer. And now I am in Power Network, and I can promise to you, I can certainly promise to you that if you are going to give your hands, I will take you up to finishing line. This is my promise, and I am not interested to go in finishing line alone. This is not my dream. My dream to come along with many others, thousands of others persons. They should come with me. Then I will have the real joy. My friend. So come with me. I will show you the path. I am moving the path. I will show you the path, how to move. You come with me. I will take you up to the finishing line. That's all, my friend. If you want, you can get connected with me. It's only $25. It's up to you. Today, it was very emotional to share my journey with you. It's a video is slightly longer, but anyway, it's a real one. So let it be. Enjoy your life. Get connected. Thank you very much. Bye bye.